The usage of LPG gas in cooking is more prevalent in the urban and semi-urban areas of India. The majority of the rural population and BPL families are still using fossil fuels to cook their meals. The usage of fossil fuels results in serious health hazards for the women of such families and causes indoor pollution. Thus, the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas rolled out the scheme of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana, that is PMUY, in May 2016 to address the issues of indoor air pollution and the harmful effects of fossil fuels used in cooking. In the Union Budget 2021, the Finance Minister announced the extension of the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana to cover 1 crore more households during this year. So what is the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana? Hi everyone, I'm Ayushi from ClearTax and today I will tell you about the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. The features of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana are: this scheme provides financial support of Rs 1,600 for each LPG connection given to BPL families. The administrative cost of Rs 1,600 for installation of the LPG will be borne by the government. EMI facilities will be given for stove and refill cost. The scheme is complementary to the Prime Minister's Give It Up campaign, through which a huge number of middle class families have voluntarily surrendered their cooking gas subsidy. The main beneficiaries of this scheme are women belonging to poor families not having an LPG connection in the household. It also covers the following categories: list of beneficiaries in the SECC 2011 list, all SC/STs households beneficiaries of the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, that is PMAY Gramin, beneficiaries under Antyodaya Anna Yojana, forest dwellers, most backward classes, T and XT garden tribes, residents of islands and river islands. The eligibility criteria under the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana are: the applicant must be a woman above the age of 18. The applicant must have the BPL card and must be a rural resident. The applicant must have a savings bank account in any of the nationalized banks to receive the subsidy amount. The applicant's household must not already own a LPG connection. The documents required to apply for the scheme are: BPL ration card, authorized BPL certificate authorized by the Panchayat Pradhan or municipality chairman, photo ID proof, that is Aadhaar card or voter's ID, a recent passport size photograph. To apply for the scheme, a woman of the BPL family not having LPG must apply to the LPG distributor for a new connection. While applying for the connection, the women must provide details like address, Jandan or bank account and Aadhaar card number. The LPG fuel officials will confirm the BPL status of the family and enter the given details into a dedicated portal given by the oil marketing companies, that is OMC portal. The OMCs will conduct due diligence electronically and issue the LPG connection. The government bears the connection charges. However, the OMCs will offer EMI option to the beneficiary and the same will be recovered from the subsidy due to the applicant every month. As part of the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana, it has been announced that refills of up to 3 cylinders of 14.2 kg and an advance of the retail selling price will be transferred by the OMC to the PMUY customer's bank account, which can be withdrawn to obtain refill from the distributor. The Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana was valid till 30th September 2020. However, looking into the benefits of this scheme, an extension of this scheme was announced in the Budget 2021 to cover 1 crore more beneficiaries this year. For more information on this scheme, visit our detailed page. You can find the link to this page in the description below. If you like this video, please do like, share, comment and do subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more updates.